Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to repost reels on Instagram feeds. There are two ways to share reels on Instagram feeds. The first way is already shared in the previous video. For the second way, click on the reels option. Here you see all the reels in which you want to share on your feeds. So to share it in your feeds, click on the three dots and then click on the share option. Click on the SnapTube, which is a third-party app through which we first download this reels and then upload it into our Instagram feeds. So now you have to click on the download option and then click on download to download it. This video will be downloaded to your gallery. And now we will go back to our Instagram and go to the home option and click on the profile, then click on the plus icon. Here you see the option post. This post will be posted to our feeds, so click on the post and select the video which you downloaded. Click on the next option and then click on the next. So here you add any caption if you want. So we don't want to add any caption. You have to click on the share and you see that the video is finishing up. So once it finished, it will be shown on your feeds. So it may take some time, so let's wait for it. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So this post is reposted to your feeds. This is the post. Thanks for watching.